Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are here again, and it is a beautiful Sunday. The sun is like beaming, and this is such a blessed day. So we are literally maybe like a week and a day kind of out of or away from a big thing going on in our life, a new life chapter. Kind of like life happens, things happen that kind of allow you to reset. Not only your like business, your job, your whole life is kind of like a reset, and that's what's happening now. Dan and I made the decision to move. Like we're like, oh, we're gonna, vlog all of it. But it's just been like very stressful. I'll be honest, I shed some tears, and it's not tears of like sadness necessarily, but it's tears of excitement, tears of joy, tears of the unknown. This whole thing is like faith based. It's faith that God will carry us through this like new experience. It's faith that my husband and I will like depend on each other in this like stressful time, because we're like, oh, you sell your house, it's just like boom, you go. But a lot of process goes into it, and that's what we're kind of making our way. Sorry, do you hear him over there? That's what we're kind of doing now, making our way through that whole process, and we're like a week out, and I'm excited. So today it is day one of packing up stuff and putting it in the pod. But yeah, so we're gonna start. You're going to see a tour of the house before it's like broken down and put in the pod and moved away. Yeah. Tears will be flowing, but again, it's just the next chapter. Welcome to our humble abode. So this is our dining room. Normally this would be like folded up and behind the couch, but we were doing a live, so we kind of did it with this backdrop. This is the front door. Bye front door. Bye dining room. Bye bar. Bye drop off space. So we've taken down a couple of our like personal items and stuff like that already because of the showing. That used to be a picture of us and like family members and stuff, so that's gone. Kellan is eating his breakfast, watching his Achilles episodes. That's our outside and all that stuff. But this is our living space. This is our bathroom, our washer and dryer that I'm gonna be doing some washing and drying soon. Yeah, I put this cabinet up by myself. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. And this is our bathroom. It's very bright and loud. Bye bathroom, we're gonna miss you. Bye laundry room. I'll miss my washers and dryer. I literally just bought these in December, so it's sad to see them go. This is a mess, but this is literally our converted garage. If you follow Anon and all that stuff, this is all our Anon products that we're gonna pack up soon on our website. All our Disney park items, Disney character warehouse, stuff like that. This is like the behind the scenes, but this is all the things that were packed up already that are gonna go in the pod like real soon. This is our office space and stuff like that. So my office space, my Anon setup, absolute sitter setup, and this is our decontamination spot for what's been going on the last year and almost 2 years, so bye. And this area pretty well. This is the kitchen, which we're cleaning up. And we're gonna take some things out of the cabinets now. There's Dan.
What if I was a first time viewer? I don't know it pretty well.
If you're first time viewer, welcome to our kitchen. But again, goodbye kitchen. Goodbye TV room, goodbye, living room, dining room. Goodbye outside. There's our garbage bins. Goodbye. We're saying goodbye to all of it. All right. Bye, security gate. This is Kellan's bathroom. It is underwater, whale themed. See the whale? There's another whale down there. Beautiful. We worked hard on this one. This was like, I was like 7 months pregnant when we worked on this one. So, bye bathroom. Living closet over here that I worked so hard to organize. Looks a little chaka right now, but had to get lots of trips to Home Goods, TJ Maxx to get all these bins and get them coordinated and stuff like that. But bye linen closet. Bye AC. Bye Nest AC monitor, thermometer thingy. Bye bench that I sit here and watch Kellan and read Facebook and stuff like that. Bye Kellan's room. I've done a tour of the room before from nursery, but not to big boy. So this is the big boy bed, and this is where we sleep when he is torturing us and we got to stay in here with him. So we kind of pull out this bed. So that's what happened last night. We pulled it out to be with him. His beautiful view, some of his teddies, his one little toy table that he uses when we're trying to kind of get him to start the day. Have a toy chest with a couple of little toys in there. Closet with very few dress-up clothes. Because where were we going during the pandemic? This TV, have his books and stuff in here. This is very crazy looking, but we kind of throw in all his books and stuff like that in here. His Bible and stuff goes in here. So that is his room. So we're gonna say goodbye, Kellan's room. Goodbye. And if you are Caribbean or Jamaican, you definitely have seen this artist around Jamaica or in people's homes. So now to our room. Excuse the mess over here, but I'm organizing clothes to donate for clothes that Kellan doesn't fit into anymore and stuff like that. So this is our bed. You know, I got my satin pillowcase. I got all the stuff I need to pack away. You know, Dad was starting to take out some things to donate as well. But that's kind of like the last minute stuff we're doing. This is his closet, which probably looks insane. Shoes galore. And my closet, which doesn't look too bad. But again, clothes donating and all that stuff. It's just we're trying to lighten the load. This is our bathroom. Yeah. So this is all. So goodbye, bathroom. Goodbye. Goodbye, bedroom. Goodbye, closets. Most favorite item in this whole house. And I'm leaving it here. But when we started like renovating the house, like doing like little improvements, we purchased this and I absolutely love it, and I think I'm gonna get another one just because it's just that gorgeous. But so that's the tour of the house. That's everything that's upstairs, downstairs. I just wanted you guys to see it before we leave, before we start taking down a lot of stuff. And like I said, I mentioned kind of earlier, it's been a bit emotional. Like I said, it's not a sadness, it's more like just like a rush of emotions, because it's like you feel like you're letting go a bit of you. Like this home has been yours. I don't know what's going on downstairs, this home has been yours, and to let it go is scary, but it's also like a beautiful thing to know that someone is going to be coming in here, a family is going to be coming in here and making memories of their own. So I'm just like happy. I'm just happy. I'm blessed. I'm excited. But let's make it happen, guys. So I'm gonna go downstairs now, and I already cooked from yesterday. Awesome. I cooked is and all our food prep is good for like today and tomorrow, so we won't be starving today. All right, guys, so I'm gonna keep updating you on how the packing goes. I'm gonna go downstairs.
This guy.
That's what I have to deal with, but that's it. That's our home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. It does, the kitchen does look crazy, but like this is the process of cleanup. It's like literally you have to clean up to start packing up and going. But yeah, that's it. So we're gonna start the day. We're gonna eat breakfast and do what we do. So, oh, and we gotta put Kellan to sleep for his nap. Before you know it, it's nap time.
What time did you guys get up?
What time did you guys get up today? Yeah, really, what time did you guys get up?
7 in the morning.
7 in the morning? We're not morning people. We're not morning people. Yeah,
No, it's not that we're not morning people. We work at night, so
we're night people.
you know when people that are like, oh, I get up at 6, I get up at 5:30, and I go to the gym. That's great, but I'm like at work at 5:30.
True. I'm fighting.
I
with this one.
have like 2.5 hours.
I'm fighting with
left.
this one at 5:30. That's
I have 2.5 hours left in my shift at 5:30 in the morning. So on my day off, when someone calls me and they're like, "You still sleeping, dude? It's 9:30."
Yeah, we still sleeping.
Imagine me calling you at 3 o'clock in the morning, going, "You sleeping? Huh? You sleeping? I'm awake."
Several days later.
Tuesday. So it's Tuesday, October 19th. And it's the last Tuesday that I will spend in my home. It's a strange feeling. Because I'm so excited for this journey. I've been saying that, like, I've used the word excited like a million times because I'm ready for the next part of the journey. But it's hard to say goodbye to a chapter. It's hard to end a chapter. You know, I keep looking at Kellan and I'm like, I walked into this home, single woman, ready to take on the world, you know. I was 26 years old when I purchased this house. And I'm leaving this home as a wife, as a mother. You know, it's a lot to unpack. Don't even talk about packing. That's the other thing. But I've been really having these like bouts of just emotions, and I don't know if it's sadness. It is sadness. It is leaving something behind, but there is happiness to come. Said I was gonna document it all, and this is what I'm documenting. This is the reality of it. Like, you're happy, you know what the next step is, but there's still reluctance. There's still fear, fear that others have put in your mind, fear that you have kind of developed by yourself. But there's a fear, and I think that's what's kind of catching me. Every other step, not every step, but I do, you know, I've spent 3 decades in South Florida, so it's a goodbye, but it's not, it's like I see you real soon, but there's still sadness in it. This is my home. my home for 10 years, and I gained so much independence, you know, living here on my own. And when I met Dan and we moved in together, so much of our growth happened here. And we came back to this home after we got married, and we made plans in this home to make that next step, to make where we're gonna move, and like, you know, what city and what house we're gonna get, what type of house, and like how it's gonna look. We always thought it was gonna be in South Florida, with Central Florida, you know, in the back of our heads, but just kind of feeling like, oh, it's unattainable. Now that we've obtained it, that we've kind of pushed ourselves to limits that we even doubted, and it's happening, you know. A bit of it does bring me sadness, because I am saying goodbye not only to like this home, besides that I'm saying goodbye to family and friends, and you know, like I said, it's just, you have to think in your head like, this is just a see you real soon. So yeah, I was crying, I got a little emotional washing the dishes, you know, because again, I'm doing that like countdown of like, this is the last Tuesday I'll be in this home, last Wednesday until we're gone. So to this home that has brought me so much joy, that has seen me through ups and downs. If these walls could talk about the things they have seen, you know, but this home sheltered me through those good and bad times, and you know, it's just you know, one chapter to the next.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all.